Dear Anna, today is the day that I have been waiting for many years. And I thank the Lord Jesus Christ for having you, because you are the result of my prayers. Since the day I saw you in 2012, I knew that something was special with you. You constantly came to my mind as I prayed for a partner, but I didn't know that it was the Lord doing it for me. Now that I have you in my life, I feel blessed and humbled by God's grace and faithfulness. Thank you for loving me with all your heart and being such a wonderful friend and helper to my life and the work that the Lord has called me to do. I want to take this time to make a special commitment to you in front of God, His angels, our family members, friends, and the church at large, by taking you as my wife, my friend, my partner, my counselor, and the mother of our future children. I promise to love you, cherish you, protect you, and do the work of your pastor, your teacher, your counselor, and your prophet. I will always honor you and make sure I love you as Christ loves his body, the church, until we go to heaven or until I have to us part. I love you. We love you.
Mon amour, Ange-Michel, today is the day that God chose for us to be united and become husband and wife. I thank Him for having brought you in my life. Since the first day that I saw you, I knew that you were special. I loved your teachings. Knowing you and being in love with you has shown me how blessed I am to have you and be called your friend, lover, partner, counselor, wife, and mother of the children that God will bless us with. I promise you in front of God, family, friends, angels, that I will honor you, I will love you, support you in what the Lord has called you to do, and submit to you as the church submits to Christ in love. I love you, and I will love you until Christ comes back or until life that do us hurt. I love you.